For over a decade, the Initiative for Research and Innovation in Science has given thousands of young Indian scientists the opportunity to innovate, develop new ideas, and share them with the world.
Life-changing, stellar.
It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience.
You can find your place amongst the stars. Let's show you how.
Are you ready for the ride of your life? Well, it all begins right here. Your first step is picking a category you can enter by yourself or with a partner. If you are in 5th to 8th standard, you will be in junior category. If you are in 9th to 12th, you are in senior category and have a chance of making it all the way to ICEF. Now that you know which category you are in, it is time to find out which subject your project comes under.
At IRIS, you have a myriad of 17 different subject categories to choose from, ensuring your project has a category that fits. The categories include Animal Sciences, Behavioral and Social Sciences, Biochemistry, Cellular and Molecular Biology, Chemistry, Computer Science, Earth and Planetary Science, Engineering, Electrical and Mechanical, Engineering, Materials and Bioengineering, Energy and Transportation, Environmental Management, Environmental Sciences, Mathematical Sciences, Medicine and Health Sciences, Microbiology, Physics and Astronomy, Plant Sciences.
A display shows the public and the judges what you have done. You're looking to attract and inform visitors about your project. So make it easy for people to access your results by creating a clear, attractive and concise display. The focus should be the work. Take a look at this reference.
Your title should be simple and must accurately represent your research.
Take photographs or videos of important parts or phases of your experiment to use in your display.
Prepare a miniature of your model in case your prototype is too large to be carried along.
Make sure your display is logically presented and easy to read.
Use neat, colorful headings, charts, and graphs to present your project. Pay special attention to labeling.
Be sure to adhere to the size limitations and safety rules when preparing your display.
Your journey begins in early July-August, where entry forms are invited from across the country. Pre-judging of these entries takes place August to September. A scientific review committee, the SRC, meet in early September to screen and shortlist projects in preparation for the big day. IRIS takes place towards the end of November every year. For the lucky few who qualify, an intensive series of coaching camps are conducted January to April before heading to the United States for the International Science and Engineering Fair, or ICEF.
ICEF has changed my life, and there is really no other way I can say it.
ICEF is the world's largest pre-college fair competition.
Over 80 Indian students have won over 100 awards at this competition, competing with over 6 million high school students from all across the world.
Not only are you getting a chance to make your nation proud, but if you're incredibly lucky, you could join the other 17 Indian students who have had minor planets named after them.
So guys, please don't miss this opportunity.
It's your turn now.
If you're innovative and you really want to bring about a change in the world, I think IRIS is the right place for you.
You enjoy science and math and computer science and so on. So I mean, it gives you a platform to show what you've done, and you have a chance to go to ICF too.
If science actually kindles your curiosity and you're really passionate about it, IRIS provides you the largest platform in India to show your talent.
Applying to IRIS, not only get to have a great experience, you meet great people and great mentors at that. They're not judges, they're not judging you, they're mentoring you, they're teaching you. They make you learn new things.
In the end, it's not about winning or losing, it's about experience. And Iris National Fair guarantees great experience.
Don't tell people what your dreams are. Show what your dreams are through Iris.
It's once in a lifetime experience.
It's your turn.
It's your turn. It's your turn.
It's your turn. It's your turn.
It's your turn.
It's your turn.